town from Alaska, and him, and Ankith are playing some disc golf here at Roy G. Kith, I like the new Moonlight, baby.
Yeah, how you doing?
What's up, man? Likewise, it's been a minute. How was EJ's wedding?
It was fun, dude.
Yeah?
It was a good time.
Yeah. Nice.
It was unbelievably sweaty.
Yeah, so hot.
So hot.
Where was it at?
Bakerberg's house.
Oh, they just had it at their house?
The reception. I was playing against Zilker the other day, and I hit the power line.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa. I got like electrocuted this
That's
tattoo
crazy.
onto it.
Huh.
What are we doing here? 493?
Yeah, rip it. Did you play a lot in, well, I guess you couldn't because it was winter, right?
I never played. The course sucks. I hate it. It doesn't have anything wide open like this.
Yeah.
It's all just...
So I remember we played the wood one, whatever one that one was.
We played the tiny one, like the 9-hole.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one's honestly not bad if you just want to like work on your putting.
At the college, right?
Yeah. But there's this one at Antioch Park up the road a little bit. And it's 18 holes and like they put effort into it, but it's like all in the woods and it's you don't get to just like rip it, you know?
Yeah.
That's like my favorite part.
Last one we played Ankith was like hole 1 and 2 previously. Was it like 16 and 17 or something?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We were talking about it, and I like didn't understand the height of it. And then we played it, and I was like, fuck, dude, that.
Yeah, man.
It's like
fucking
800
sick.
feet long.
Dude, yeah, and it's just open.
Yeah. Ooh. Nice.
That kind of helped you.
Yeah, it did help me.
There's
Go
that
for it,
one
Chris.
restaurant just like misspelled the fuck out of Pico de Gallo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Pico de Gallo. The W. I saw another one of
Like
those
the gallows.
at El Sombrero the other day.
We went to that Mexican restaurant, right? That spelled Pico de Gallo wrong?
No, I wouldn't have taken y'all there.
I remember we went to some like pub place. I don't remember.
I remember when you came. Dude, that was actually so long ago.
It was...
In May of 22.
Yeah.
It was 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I should be able to remember. It wasn't that long ago.
That's gonna be tough.
Aww.
There's no way in hell. Fuck. The line was there.
That edit's gonna be sick on the TikTok reel.
Is it?
Ah!
Ooh.
Dude, this whole
Go for it, kid.
hard. If you lay up though, you're a coward. I don't respect it. Oh!
Ooh, kiss.
The only reason they would do it is if it was like coming out anyway, and they wanted to hold it
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the